Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete hidden apps on iPhone running iOS 26. Here's a trick that a lot of people are probably gonna wanna know, so let's break down the steps. First thing you gotta do is unlock your iPhone and land on the home screen. Swipe all the way left until you reach the app library. Now scroll down and you're gonna see the hidden folder over here. Tap on it. At this point, you gotta scan Face ID or enter your passcode to get inside. Once you're in, you can view all the apps that are hidden on your device. Okay, check this out. I got one app hidden right here. Simply tap and hold on the app. Select Delete App. Again, you'll be asked to authenticate with Face ID or your passcode. After that, a pop-up comes up. Tap Delete App. Then you get one final pop-up. Tap delete again, that's it. The hidden app is gone already. Anyways, using the same way you can delete all the apps inside that hidden folder. If you don't see the delete option, that means your device has restrictions set up for app deletion. To fix that, you gotta remove those restrictions. I already have a video tutorial ahead in the channel to help you with that. Now let's go after the second method. Open up Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Then tap iPhone Storage. Wait a bit for everything to load. Scroll down until you see Hidden Apps. Tap there. Again, you'll need to scan your Face ID or enter your passcode because of Apple's privacy rules. Once you're in, all your hidden apps are going to appear on the screen. Pick the app you want to delete. Tap Delete App. Confirm again when the pop-up shows. Then one final pop-up comes after. Tap Delete again. Wait a little bit. That's it. Now those hidden apps are no longer available on your iPhone or iPad. So yeah, that's the adequate way to delete hidden apps on iOS 26. Use the app library method or the iPhone storage method. Both are bright and smart ways to keep your phone clean and free ahead. I would like you to hit that like button if this helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips. And comment if you want to ask something or need a bit more help.